Hey there, Texans. We're continuing with graphing. We're looking today at Tales from a Graph. So when you go into our folder, click on the assignment, should open up and look like this. The purpose of this, guys, we're going to measure, record, and interpret an object's motion using distance time graph. All right, guys, so we're basically, our objective today, I can explain how graphs tell stories of motion. So when we're going through, it says with a partner, you can do this on your own. You're going to interpret what is happening in each speed graph shown. Use the sentence stems to fully complete your thoughts. So you're going to use those sentence stems because I want you to answer in complete sentences. So you'll be shown several different speed graphs. Notice how distance is on the y-axis. We talked about this yesterday. And time is located on the x. You will look at the graph and use the sentence stem provided to answer each question. The final graph, guys, you're going to calculate the speed. We went over how to do that in class yesterday. So you'll look at the graph. Notice you have distance on the y, time on the x. Notice this line is not directly on the origin, so they did not start at 0. What information is shown in the graph? Well, the information shown is, and we could say it's got distance on the y, time on the x-axis, and then that the object did not start at 0. What do I notice about what is shown in the graph? Well, that could exactly be what we're looking at. What we notice, the object was moving at a constant speed away, but it did not start at 0. That could be what you type in here. Information shown, distance on the x-axis, the y-axis, time on the x-axis. What do I notice about what is shown in the graph? That the object rolled away or moved at a constant speed, but did not start at 0. So you'll do this for each graph. All right, guys. And remember, we talked yesterday about the steepness of lines. You're going to answer the questions that are showing in each box. All right. You've got one that's returning to the origin. All right. Remember, we mentioned curves deal with changes in speed. You have acceleration when it comes up, deceleration when it points to coming down. All right, guys. So you have several that we're going to work on. And this last one, what is the speed shown on the graph in the first 5 seconds? Remember, I told you, you have time and you've got distance. So you're going to go ahead and use the time and distance with your speed formula. Remember, speed equals distance divided by time. And you're going to go in and you're going to go ahead and solve that, guys. After we're finished today, guys, go ahead and pack up and have a great day.